Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna share with you a popular dessert recipe called Faluda. Faluda is one of the most popular dessert for Bangladeshi people, also popular Indian subcontinent. Let's move to ingredients. We've used some seasonal fresh fruits like mango, banana, apple, and pears. You can add some more if you want. We've used two types of jelly with different flavors. Some rice noodles, sago pearl, rose syrup, and full cream milk. For topping, we used some pomegranate. To process the milk, boil the milk with sugar and 1 cup of powdered milk. Chill all of ingredients in a refrigerator. After that, layer it as per as your wish. Be careful though, the whole dessert taste depends on the milk.